Okay, let's talk about our lecture today. Today's lecture is just kind of a continuation of what we were working with yesterday in terms of identifying corresponding sides, corresponding angles, and working with scale factor. So we see a little problem here, and working through this problem is going to be our source of our lecture. So the first thing it says is, hey, what is the scale factor from polygon A to polygon B? Explain your reasoning. Now, when you're seeking that scale factor here, right, you're going to be looking at things that are in common in terms of what's given to you, right? So if we look at this, right, they give you the dimension of TU and they give you the dimension of MN, and you see that one's going from 2.5 to 5. If you think about that, right, 2.5 to 5, well, you could write that as your scale, 2.5 to 5. But technically, we can probably get a little bit more simplified. And that's why you see me kind of like drawing this part right here. 2.5 divided by 2.5 is 1. 5 divided by 2.5 is 2. So essentially, your scale is going to be 1 to 2. 1 to 2 here. Now, let me erase this part right here, right? So erase and erase. So that's how we can work on finding scale factor. Now, let's talk about a few other questions here, right? Bring back my pointer and go to the next slide here. All right, slide 2. All right, cool. Now, second question says, hey, find the missing length of each side marked with the question marks in polygon B. Well, what I did is I added some points to my slide here to make it a little bit easier, to find missing lengths and everything like that. So what they're looking for, right? They're looking for, okay, what's this one and what's this one? Well, since we already identified our scale factor as being 1 to 2, well, guess what? Well, 1.5 times 2, that's going to be 3. And so this one right here is going to be 3. Let's see how good I write a letter. Oh, hey, there's 3. What do you know? And this one right here is going to be just like this one here. This was 2.5 to 5. And this one's going to be 2.5 times to 5 as well. So we get that in there. Now let's talk about angles. It says determine the measure of each angle marked with a question mark in polygon A. Well, guess what? We're looking for what this angle is and this angle right here. And because we have a scaled polygon, the angle is going to be the same. This one, 82, is going to match with this one right here. It's going to be the same. It's going to be the same, just like this one right here. It's going to be the same as this one right here. So hopefully that helps get a little bit better with drawing on the slides here. And again, if you have questions, just bring them up when you're solving the problem out here.